to share with you about this nutritional shake mix that I started drinking. It's called LadyBoss LEAN. Now it's specifically formulated for us women, which I absolutely love. It's filled with 19 vitamins and minerals, and it's good for your digestive health and weight loss. I'm still trying to lose that baby weight from little Harley over here. So I've been drinking this once a day. I usually replace my breakfast or my lunch with this. I am making the peanut butter cup. Who doesn't love peanut butter chocolate, right? It's super easy to make. You just need a tablespoon of cocoa, a tablespoon of peanut butter, about 8 ounces of almond milk, peanut butter. And then of course we can't forget our packet. Now what I love about this is that this is cake batter flavor. It is so good. And it's not like gritty, it's really good. I'm gonna pour this in. All right, and then just add a handful of ice. See how easy that was? And their protein is made out of grass-fed whey protein, so that's really awesome. All right, done. Look at that. So good, and it tastes like a peanut butter cup. Now I like to replace this for my breakfast or my lunch. It really depends on what I have going on for the day. But I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I also work from home, and getting anything done during the day, especially making it 3 meals a day, is just unrealistic for me. And making these shakes really curbs my appetite, and I think that you guys should try this. Just click the link below for 3 free samples. You won't regret it, I promise.